Hey guys, this is Tanvir Ivhan back with another video where you can generate unlimited free images using Piclumen. Yes, you heard that right. You can create unlimited images with Piclumen. Now let's see how to use this tool. First, open any browser and type piclumen.com. Once you search, this kind of interface will appear. Then press Generate for free and log in with any of your Gmail accounts. On the Piclumen homepage, you'll see different types of work that others have already done, like realistic images, anime, lineart, cyberpunk, cinematic, etc. Now, when we press Create, a new interface will open, where you can create as many images as you like based on your imagination. You'll get 4 options here. You can create realistic images, anime images, lineart images, or use Flux 1 Schnell. Beside that, there's an aspect ratio option where you can set the image size you want to generate, such as 1:1, 9:19, 9:16, 2:3, etc. Next to that, you'll see an option where you can select how many images you'd like to generate at once, with a limit of up to 4 images. Below that, you'll find an option to improve image quality and advanced features like the negative prompt system, adjustable CFG scale, steps option, and finally, the seed setting. Now, let's generate a realistic image. I typed a brave king in a forest, aiming for a realistic and cinematic shot. Let's see the result. Wow, what an amazing, beautiful, and perfect image. The background, color tone, everything is flawless. I'm truly surprised that a free tool can generate such a stunning image. It's beyond my imagination, but it's real. You also have a download option here, so you can save the image if you like. You can add things to the image, remove the background, upscale the image to improve its quality, or use the in-paint option to expand the image and make it more detailed. Look at the quality, completely realistic and in HD. Now, let's check out the Piclumen Anime version 2 to see what kind of images it can create. I'll give a prompt, a boy wearing a white t-shirt and blue pants. Then press Generate. Wow, mind-blowing. It's exactly what I wanted, a full anime version. I'm just amazed that a free tool can create such detailed images. You must try this. Next, let's explore the lineart option. But before that, let's check the demand for lineart on Fiverr. I searched lineart on Fiverr, and you can see people are charging anywhere from $5 to $100 for a lineart image. This shows there's a big demand for lineart on Fiverr. Let's now use Piclumen's lineart feature to generate an image. I'll type the prompt, a boy walking in a garden, then generate. Look at that. What a perfect lineart image, truly amazing. The details in the image are just perfect, a flawless lineart. Let's create another anime image with Piclumen. I'll type, a princess playing with her cat, then generate. Boom! What a picture. Piclumen is truly fantastic. Just look at this mind-blowing picture. The details and color tones are perfect. I gave a simple prompt, and it generated the image exactly as I imagined. Just like before, you can download the image, remove the background, upscale, and expand it. Let's upscale the image now. It'll take a little time to generate. Now look, it upscaled the image, and it's even more crystal clear. Yes, Piclumen is completely free for now. You can also create images similar to the ones you upload. And yes, if you want more AI videos like this, subscribe to my channel now. That's all for today. Hope you guys learned something new. See you in the next video.